The Yas man. The fucking light is bright as shit. Hold on, bro. Never mind. That freaking light behind me is like mad bright, bro. So don't even mind that. But bro, there's this sound I've been doing with my hands since like freaking 6th grade. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm able to make this sound with my hands where I can like rub them together, and I can like make like a friction sound with them. So like, look. There's nothing in my hands. There's nothing in my hands. And if you want to know how to make that sound, here how it is. So when you rub your hands together, make sure the center of both palms comes in close contact. All right, contact, bro. Make sure they come. Remember, the center of your palms, of both palms, they come into close contact, and put it together. And while you're rubbing it, make sure they stay in close contact, and then they make like this little squishy sound, like. I'm one of the people that can like make that friction sound with their hands, and a lot of people don't know how I've done it, but I'm revealing the secret on here. So if you see it, great. If you don't, oh well.